G'day, quick heads up. Watch through to the end, because I'm breaking down what this usually costs and where you can save. If your Toyota's throwing up pre-collision system, malfunction lane departure alert, malfunction front camera, unavailable radar, cruise, unavailable check BSM system, then it needs ADAS calibration. Aiming the front camera, front radar, and blind spot monitors with the proper target placement from the repair manual. It's almost never a random bad sensor. Most folks see these after a windshield swap, bumper repair, bodywork, or any time sensors were removed and reinstalled. Adaptive cruise not setting, randomly cancelling, or radar alerts popping up. If so, then here's the fix. Front radar calibration, also called millimeter wave radar aiming. The key is establishing a precise vehicle center line and a perpendicular cross line so the radar target is placed dead on. Even a tiny misalignment after bumper work can trigger it. Blind spot monitor acting weird, missing cars, ghost alerts, or it died after quarter panel or rear bumper work. Fix. BSM calibration with targets set behind the car. This is fussy. The center line needs to extend past the rear, and techs use plumb bobs, lasers, or string to get it exact. Small errors make BSM unreliable. Got a new windshield and now safety lights are on, even though it drives fine. Fix. Forward camera calibration. The camera's position can shift with new glass, and it needs an optical axis learning, AIM. Lifted the car or changed suspension and now you've got faults. Fix. Recheck and calibrate. Ride height and attitude matter to these systems. Is this a recall? No. This is a Toyota Tech Tip, TTT066321, that NHTSA hosts as a manufacturer communication. It helps techs place targets correctly for BSM, the forward camera, and the front radar in different shop environments. It applies across many Toyota models with TSS BSM, which is why the issue feels so common. What dealers do? They don't guess or parts cannon it. They set tire pressures, level the car, verify ride height, then build a precise centerline crossline with plumb bobs, string, lasers, and Toyota SSTs. Then they run the needed calibrations, camera after windshields, radar after front-end work, BSM after rear repairs, clear codes, road test, and confirm no warnings. In plain English, they teach the car where straight ahead really is again. What people complain about online: surprise calibration fees after glass or bodywork, bills jumping by hundreds, and shops not disclosing it up front. The fixes that actually work: get a proper calibration done by a dealer, collision shop, or ADAS specialty shop, and get documentation it was completed. Battery resets and random sensor swaps don't hold. Warnings return until aiming is done right. Costs: here's the part you waited for. Typical dealer pricing, about 400 to 600 plazas per system. Real Toyota owner reports show quotes from roughly $650 up to $1,240 for some RAV4 recalibrations, and windshield plus calibration totals around $1,200 with big glass chains. Independent or ADAS specialty shops, commonly $250–450 per system, with many quotes landing around $395 to $400. Industry averages put calibration in the $350–500 range, and some shops price at about 70 to 80% of dealer rates. Remember, if you need camera plus radar plus BSM, it stacks fast. Four-figure totals happen when bundled with glass or body repair. Why it's worth doing: ADAS works. Forward collision warning and auto emergency braking can halve rear-end crashes, and blind spot detection reduces lane change crashes. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop your symptoms and quotes below. Warnings, cruise issues, lane departure, BSM, plus what your shop charged. Cheers.